rightly said, I'm not an expert, so I can't come with an expert viewpoint on it either. But I would like to lend my support to what I truly believe is one of the most important health initiatives for our health and well-being for us all, and for our children, for everyone. Immunisation saves lives. Apart from safe drinking water, no other health intervention has reduced diseases and mortality as effectively and safely as immunisation. No child should suffer from illness, a lifelong disability, or die due to vaccine-preventable diseases. Immunisation now reaches over 90% of the children in this region. However, discrepancies in population groups still persist, and a large number of unvaccinated children can be found in countries throughout the region. These vulnerable or hard-to-reach groups must be reached with life-saving vaccinations. It is the right of every child to grow up healthy and vaccinated against those diseases that can so easily be controlled. I hope that the countries within the region will act quickly and effectively to ensure that children and adults, especially those in vulnerable and hard-to-reach groups, have access to immunisation and basic medical services. The importance of immunisation cannot be underestimated. The diversity of the region creates enormous challenges in your efforts to reach your common goal of increasing vaccination coverage, and I wish you and the region's member states every success in achieving that goal. Good luck and thank you.